Yes.
Yes, we
Okay.
can.
For some strange reason, I did have internet very well, but Zoom just thought of restarting. Don't know why. So we were talking about this one, how to do this, right? Uh, so based on your experience, I hope the screen is visible again to all of you.
Yes.
Based on your
Yes.
experience,
Yes.
based on your experience, you can say approximately 11, or I'll make it 9, 9 plus assessment over the 5 years. Same, आप अपना calculation कर लेना. This is not total experience. This is Azure experience. If you have 5 years का experience, claim 6 plus migration and 9 plus assessment. राइट अब उस असेसमेंट में क्या होता है ऑब्वियसली क्लाउड रेडीनेस फोरकास्टिंग वर्कलोड असेसमेंट ऐप एंड सर्वर ये चीज राइट हाउ डिड दे डिसाइड वेदर टू असेस एंड देन वांट टू माइग्रेट फाइन ये छोड़ दो दिस यू गाइस कैन क्रिएट योर ओन आंसर दिस विल नॉट इवन कम टू यू even if it comes to you understand this is not your day-to-day job you can answer in this manner that how did they decide what to assess and when and what to migrate right for it will come to you once they have decided but still do you know the story background story how did they decide so you can give short answer for this iske liye you can use this answer how did they decide whether to rehost re-architect re-platform etc again you can clearly say I'm not a part of cloud excellence team I'm a part of implementation team but still I know that what is the method they use or agar aap comfortable nahi ho you can straight away deny these two answers screening answers ye do hi hai focus on them and they may ask you have you worked on vnet pairing they may ask you some keywords that what all components have you worked in networking azure networking right so use vnet pairing hub and spoke etc this is migration technical हमने detail में कर रखा है now something is pending from my side is I have to give you migration issues which you get at the time of migration and how do you resolve them that I'll prepare a table and I'll do that I'll share one resume template with you guys I'm expecting all of you to prepare your resume again when I share the resume guys I'm not talking about the format you are free to choose your own format I'm consider or I'm most worried about your uh, content in that I want you to copy the content format आप अपना use कर लो कोई भी I don't mind I don't have any preference in that अच्छे से अच्छा format the one which I'm sharing you maybe it's too old right I have my own resume in different format and the one which I'm sharing with you it's a different one so I'm not asking you to use the same format you can if you like it but it's not a compulsion let me check if I can show it to you and once I have those resumes maybe not tomorrow obviously next week we can have one session जहाँ पर I'll share the Naukri profile with you guys Naukri update how to do that etc
Sohail bhai,
yes
here 6 plus migration means 6 projects.
yes 6
And
migrations
if they
आपने
ask
किए not
like
6
how
machines
many servers in one
अब वो up to
project
you
you have,
कहीं पे 30 कहीं पे 50 कहीं पे 250 कुछ भी बोल दो आप लोग इट्स ओके नाउ आई हैव गिवन यू अ फेयर आइडिया कि एक सर्वर को कितना टाइम लगता है कुछ रुक जाए तो कितना टाइम लगता है राइट आई हैव गिवन यू अ फेयर आइडिया डिटेल वन कि एक सर्वर एक्चुअल में एक वीक में 10 से ज्यादा सर्वर माइग्रेट नहीं होते 1 FT नाउ यू कैलकुलेट आप अपना कैलकुलेशन कर लो कि कितना होगा कैसे होगा राइट so this is what I'm talking about guys uh, mention your certifications etc here mention your company name here your designation here location this one duration but again I'm telling you it's up to you this is something I'm worried about this is something I'm focusing on management of Azure subscription resources deployment and management of VM this is something like this you have to mention VM migration in the project we migrated 30 virtual machine you can keep it 50 right
Sohail,
uh, so you can Sain, I'm not able to hear you please if you can put your question in the chat window voice is breaking so you can mute yourself please and put the question in the chat window that will be helpful right skills mention all these things add more based on your previous profile for example someone has guys is it my connection or is it her connection are you guys able to hear me properly
yes.
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 Fine.
Fine. Fine. So add more skills here. Someone is coming from database, someone is come from Windows, Linux, right? Mention that here. If you have two projects in the same company, then you can use something like this. Let's say that you're working in one company from last 10 years and you don't want to show Azure completely 10 years. So put something like this, company name, the complete duration, and then just mention project one, project two. Don't mention don't mention dates under the project. So we can utilize it however we like. Let's say कि आपका total experience 10 साल का है and you're showing it here project one, project two में आप आपका Windows system admin बता रहे हो और recent project आप अपना क्लाउड वाला बता रहे हो, राइट? सो डोंट मेंशन पुट डेट्स हियर अंडर द प्रोजेक्ट. सो विल यूज इट. कोई 6 साल का एक्सपीरियंस मांग रहा है, विल से हाँ ये 6 साल का प्रोजेक्ट है. Someone is asking 7 years, will say हाँ ये 7 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है. टोटल यू हैव 10 years. इसमें से however you like लास्ट मोमेंट पे इसको आप डिवाइड कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन यूज इट. I'll be sharing this again. I'm telling you, it's not very new and very fancy one, but up to you. If you want to use it, use it. What I want clearly, it's your skill set and these roles and responsibilities. It should be there in your resume for sure, be it any format. Got it, guys?
Yes.
So I guess that's all I had for this session. We still have some time, so let's see what else can I show you, or if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. ये सब हमने cover कर लिया है. नौकरी सेशन वी आर गोइंग टू डू वंस आई गेट योर प्रोफाइल्स एंड आपके प्रोफाइल मिल जाएगा. उसके बाद भी मैं ग्रुप बनाकर व्हाट्सएप पे और आई कनेक्ट विथ यू गाइस. देन विल सी कि किस तरह से इसको प्रोसीड करना है, हाउ टू अप्लाई वगैरह, वो सब कॉमन एक साथ करेंगे हम लोग. देन पर्सनल लेवल पे जो रिकमेंडेशंस रेफरेंस वगैरह देने हैं, दैट आई विल शेयर विथ यू गाइस. Yeah, that's it pretty much, guys. That's all I had for this session.
Post, post,
Along with this, I
post this
have,
session,
sorry, Vic, you are asking something?
post this session, if you have any questions, so should we put in WhatsApp group or
Yeah, don't worry.
anything
I'm not
reach to
deleting
you?
the WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group होगा वहां पर. Whenever you guys have any doubts, any questions, even if you feel कि कोई session repeat होना है, do let me know. Don't worry about it. But I would request first go and watch the video, read the theory part, try to do a practical, and then come to me. ये नहीं
Yes.
होना चाहिए कि because I missed, can you please retake it? A lot of efforts even I have to put. Go ahead, watch the
Okay.
video, practice it, check the theory. When you have put your 100% and still you are not able to understand it, feel free to reach out to me. I'll conduct the session one more time. That's not a problem.
Yeah.
Right? Uh, Along with this, guys, we are starting one more batch from 17th of Jan for Terraform. Whoever thinks that it's capable enough in terms of understanding कि मैं Azure को साथ में रखते हुए Terraform सीख सकता हूँ, feel free to go for that. By the way, I'm not the trainer there. We have another trainer. It is just being done under UT-Kloud, but I'm not the trainer. That's the disclaimer. If anyone wants to talk to trainer, I can arrange that. Someone who's not targeting a big package, not planning to go beyond 15, don't go for the Terraform now. 15, 16, 17 आपको ऐसे ही मिल जाएगा on what we have done based on this. Guys, are you not able to see my screen?
Able
Yes,
to
I'm
see.
able to say yes.
Able to see.
Nagma, it's visible. I think it's old message और वैसे भी screen पे कुछ नहीं है अभी. Even if it is you're not able to see it, ignore it. Uh, right? So yeah, if you are targeting 15-16 तक target कर रहे हो, don't worry about Terraform. Anyone who's coming with good experience, जो अपने आप को 5 years plus बताने वाला है Azure में, and if you don't know Terraform, slightly difficult. I'm not saying कि आपको आना ही चाहिए. It's up to you guys, completely up to you guys, right? Whatever we have promised initially, that you will still get based on whatever we have covered in this session. Terraform additionally आप लोगों को join करना है, कर सकते हो. You don't want to do it, completely fine. If you have any friends, anyone, please refer them for Terraform. They can also join, right? What else do we have? Mm. Naukri, I don't want to start before I see your resume, so let me come to your resumes and then I'll start with Naukri. I'll be sharing this one with you. एक दो format और share कर देता हूँ, so it will be easier for you to के format के लिए भी आप लोग struggle नहीं करो. But I told you again, guys, I'm not at all interested in format. I'm more interested. and not only me, it's not about my interest, your recruiters. But format should be easy to read. ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि recruiter को आपका total experience देखने के लिए जो है ना 6 pages जाने पड़े. One more thing, majority of you things, not you guys, in general I'm talking about, कि जितना लंबा resume होगा 10 pages का impressive होगा, not at all. Make your recruiter's job easier. Put yourself in her or his shoes. आपके पास 5 Azure admin की opening है. Your manager has clearly told you, I am looking for an Azure administrator, 6 years का experience, right? You put that on Naukri. Against that Naukri, you get 600 resumes. किसी ने लिखा है लेटेस्ट रिज्यूम, किसी ने लिखा है लेटेस्ट सीवी, किसी ने लिखा है माय रिज्यूम, किसी ने लिखा है नौकरी सीवी, राइट? You have this kind of application, and then you have an application, you have resume like this. Bob, Azure admin, 6 years. As a recruiter, which one will you pick first? Will you go ahead and open वो 10 resume आप open करके और आपका ये calculate करना पसंद करोगे, और will you simply go ahead and open this because you are able to see कि Azure admin है और 6 साल का है. This is closest to my requirement.
This one.
Simple.
Yes,
Yes.
one.
So you make their job easy, you'll get more calls. Secondary, open करने के बाद वो उसको दिख ही नहीं रहा है कि आपका total experience कितना है, 10 साल है, 15 है, and they have to open the calculator and count it here. You're making their job difficult, right? Isn't it easy that you tell them that I have extensive 5 years experience as an Azure admin and with 6 years of total IT experience? You're making their job easy. They were looking for someone who's a certified guy, right? You haven't mentioned it anywhere. Isn't it easy that you mention it here? Your number should be visible. So I prefer this one. There are other formats also. This is your call. Approach should be there. This कि आप उनका काम easy करो. Name this should be like this. आपका सर्टिफिकेशन यहाँ पर होना चाहिए, टोटल एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए, आईटी एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए, अज्योर एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ पर होना चाहिए, स्किल यहाँ पर इजीली रीडेबल होनी चाहिए, टॉप पे हमेशा अज्योर का आप रखोगे, राइट? ये फर्स्ट पेज देख के ट्रस्ट में एटलीस्ट दे विल सेलेक्ट यू फॉर स्क्रीनिंग. नीचे वो जाते हैं नहीं जाते, दैट्स ओके. हाँ, एजुकेशन दे विल कम हियर एंड सी. मेक इट इजियर फॉर देम एंड इट विल बी क्विकर फॉर यू. इफ यू मेक वेरी जंबल, बहुत सारा पिक्चर्स पिक्चर्स, एक जंबल सा रिज्यूम बना दोगे, एंड इफ रिक्रूटर इज टेकिंग 15 minutes टू fetch your resume, they have 5 positions and 500 resumes for that. They're not spending time on your resume. Okay guys, so that's all I had. We have 4 minutes left in this session. I'm stopping the screen sharing. If you guys have any doubts, any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, maybe we'll wrap up the session, and next time when we'll meet, that's before that I should have your resumes, and that will be for Naukri session. It won't take time. I think hardly one session of 40 minutes Zoom, and that should be done. And in between, I'll be in touch with you guys. If you have any doubts, any questions, we'll be putting that on YouTube, sorry, in the WhatsApp chat. That chat I'm not deleting. Anyone who's applying, tomorrow we have interview from one of your batch. Person is not comfortable sharing the name, right? He has interview with, I guess, okay, let's not call the firm name. I'll share it in the WhatsApp group. This is going on recording. Uh, if we get good questions and if he's comfortable, I'll share the recording as well, his recording, if he's okay with it. If not, at least questions, text questions, I will manage to get and I'll share it with you guys. Uh, there's only there are only 2 openings in there. One I have already referred and that is fulfilled. The next opening is there, and tomorrow there's an interview with this guy. If he's selected, unfortunately, I'll not be able to share. Unfortunately, if he's not selected, I'll refer other candidate from this batch, whoever thinks he is ready. Uh, they're looking for someone who has 5+ of years of experience. Budget is somewhere around 80. So जो भी fit होता है, after looking at your resume, I'll reach out to you guys. And when I'm referring somewhere, in most of the companies, I have some or the other person जो इस panel में बैठा है, he was my ex-student, he was my colleague, he was working under me, or he was my manager. किसी ना किसी तरह से we have a little bit of push, will help you in that also. Questions होते हैं हमारे पास, will help you in any manner to get you a job, guys. But uploading it on Naukri, updating everything on Naukri on daily basis, getting calls, that is your responsibility. Okay, guys,
Are we
then
conducting
sorry.
mock interviews?
Sorry.
Conducting mock interviews?
Yeah, we'll do that. But post your resume. Once I have your resume, मॉक इंटरव्यू कॉमन नहीं हो सकता सबके लिए, अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, राइट? यू आर शोइंग 10 years का एक्सपीरियंस, आई विल पुट समवन, आई विल गेट द एक्चुअल इंटरव्यूअर जो एक्चुअल पैनल में होता है ना, आई टेक सम टाइम फ्रॉम हिम, मैं उससे आपका इंटरव्यू करवाऊंगा। बट समवन हु इज कमिंग विद 2 years, आपका और उसका सेम नहीं हो सकता है, सो आई विल बी एबल टू डू इट after I have your resumes. In that mock interview also, if you are comfortable, let's say Vivek का मेरे पास resume आ गया, 10 years experience, I'm arranging a call. If Vivek is comfortable, I will send that invite to all of you, and others can also join as an spectator. Interviewer will be there, not a dummy, the actual one. जो actual में interviews लेते हैं, I have many colleagues, friends, my students. I'll ask them to. They always give me half an hour का टाइम देते हैं वो लोग, half an hour 45 minutes. They will conduct the interview for Vivek, and if Vivek is comfortable, I will add all of you. You guys can just be spectator and listen to it. If not, I'll share the recording if again Vivek is comfortable. I'm just taking example Vivek's name, सबके लिए same है. If Shaheen is giving interview, if she is comfortable, others can join, or I can share her recording, and if she is comfortable. If not, it will be on one-on-one basis. Okay, guys, we have only 1 minute left. Let me close the session. I'll upload the recording, share it with you guys. Will be connected on WhatsApp, and I'll share the format with you guys. Prepare your resume, share it with me. Okay. Farewell, guys. Thank you. Thank you for your patience. Bye.